Major Dr. Rekha Sinha ma'am has 25 plus years of experience in the education field and is also an NCC officer and director for the School of Interior Design. With great leadership skills, ma'am has always supported her students, teachers and staff members to always strive for the best. Ma'am had joined the JJI group in the year 1996. After successfully completing her training in the Officers Training Academy Gwalior, she was honored with gold medal in her passing out parade and was commissioned as lieutenant there. At present, ma'am is serving as a major in NCC and has many honors and awards with publications in her name.
A winner is the one who thinks she can, because it's not the victory but the fight. Our cadets have always lived up to this credo. I, Major Dr. Rekha Sinha, the Associate NCC Officer of one company, 9 Karnataka Battalion, would like to thank the organization for this opportunity. National Cadet Corps is the largest youth organization in the world with more than 14.5 lakh cadets. With headquarters at New Delhi, NCC is a tri-service organization. Students from schools and colleges join NCC on volunteer basis as junior cadets for 2 years and senior cadets for 3 years. The National Cadet Corps are synonymous with discipline, integrity, loyalty, courage, duty, respect, sense of sacrifice, patriotism, moral values and ethics. Today's society has witnessed a drastic change in competitiveness in all spheres. Due to fierce competition at all levels, besides professional field, personality traits and skills are often put to test for comparison of merit. Despite qualifying for a degree, most students lack self-confidence, basic leadership qualities, sense of discipline, creativity, critical thinking, communication skills, team spirit and sense of adventure, time management and adaptation. These are the essential traits and skills expected in a proactive, responsible, educated youth today in society to bring attitudinal change. The NCC training activities provide opportunities and motivate young students to improve their general knowledge, communication skills, soft skills, life skills, character building and traits of good personality. These basic leadership qualities and managerial skills will also prepare the young graduates in taking up as confident leaders. The cadets likewise get familiar with significant things like genuineness, discipline and hard work. NCC camps like the Republic Day camp and All India Thal Sainik camp are held all over India. Therefore, students get an opportunity to visit new places and learn the art of independence. The cadets are also taught other skills such as parachuting, paragliding, horse riding, basic aviation courses, because of which they have an edge over others when appearing for the armed forces. The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. One company, 9 Karnataka Battalion, National Cadet Corps, is all girls company which has been awarded many times the Best Institution Award. The cadets have completed many national level camps, procuring glory for our company. More than 12 cadets have completed their Republic Day camp, engraving their names in history, and more than 20 cadets have already completed All India Sainik Camp, making our hearts fill with pride. Our cadets also made into the prestigious Youth Exchange Program. This is an opportunity not only to understand your country better, but also to widen the horizon, which highlights the essence of universal brotherhood, transcending through national and international boundaries. Our company has been conducting many national level trekkings and state level trekkings, bike expeditions and cycle expeditions with a motto. The cadets have always worked hard and put forth their best performance, breaking the stereotype. It's our constant endeavor to produce women of substance. They should display qualities and handle responsibility of the highest order. We emphasize in the inculcation of values and ethics. We have formed an army of force of our own. Our cadets constantly try to live up to the being nothing short of the best and have strived and attained excellence. The National Cadet Corps embodies fully the values important for our nation's unity. There is no better training ground for the responsibilities that await our youth in years to come. Many social evils still prevail in modern Indian society that resist the forward march of its women folk. India is ranked 29th among 146 countries across the globe on the basis of Gender Inequality Index, driven by inclusion of women empowerment as one of the 8 Millennium Development Goals. NCC has contributed significantly to the cause. This will indeed be a major contribution towards development goals for our society. The cadets also undertake various social service activities like aid to the administration, especially in times of calamities, preservation of the environment and ecology, blood donation camps, literacy programs, and construction and cleanliness drives, and provides the youth of the country an effective direction towards the self-improvement and community service as well. The cadets have always been aiming to make the society a better place for people. We as a company take up social activities very seriously. We have conducted various social activities to contribute to a little change. We have conducted activities like Swachh Bharat, planting saplings, seed activity, and so many on a yearly basis to help and preserve the environment. We have conducted various campaigns like anti-tobacco rally, traffic awareness, cleanliness drive, and so many. The cadets also collected flood relief funds when the time was needed. This is an extremely positive development from the side of youth. Aware and engaged youth are a force that can truly transform our country and enable our nation to get rid of poverty, disease, underdevelopment, and ignorance. For that, we must follow what Mahatma Gandhi ji said. We must become the change we want to see. The cadets also visit the orphanage, old age home, blind school and help them with material aid and give them time and understand their situation with empathizing them. In the meantime, cadets are also taught that to be successful in life, one has to be bold to take the calculated risk even at great discomfort. It is the moment you accept responsibility for everything in your life is the moment you gain the power to change anything in your life. I would like to share an incident about the courage displayed by a group of NCC cadets helped in preventing a fire in the Dibrugarh-New Delhi Rajdhani Express. The incident took place near Fakiragram Junction when one of the coach caught fire. The NCC cadets who were also travelling in the same train soon came to the rescue and helped evacuate the coach. The courage shown by the cadets was also appreciated by several fellow passengers. Due to this timely intervention of the cadets, there was no casualty sustained by the fellow passengers. The life-saving task undertaken by the cadets while putting their lives at risk came as a result of disaster management training imparted to them in NCC, which comes in handy in such hazardous situation. It is wisely said, the pessimists see difficulty in every opportunity, the optimists see opportunities in every difficulty. NCC has proved to transform every cadet into responsible citizens who respects the ethics and values. NCC has brought together people from diverse backgrounds, religion, cultures and languages and inculcated in them the values of unity, humanism, patriotism and selfless service. It thus truly symbolizes the philosophy of unity in diversity, which forms the foundation of our nationhood. It brings together the youths hailing from different parts of the country, including from remote and tribal areas, and fosters the spirit of brotherhood, builds character and inculcates values of selfless service, concern for fellow citizens and community service. Volunteering for different activities and fest is a great way to improve your intrinsic motivation. NCC is credited with planting over 1 lakh saplings and donating more than 50,000 units of blood. Social service and community development activities conducted by NCC take the form of proactive action, rallies, awareness drives, marathons, etc. These activities encourage cadets to take on voluntary work within their communities and neighborhood to make a humble but no less significant contribution towards nation building. Through team building, drill routines, adventure expeditions, sports, games and other activities teach young cadets to be confident and to work hard. That positivity impacts our adult volunteers too, with the knowledge that they are really making a difference. Youth, through this organization, understand the value of being just and impartial and to acknowledge the fact of being honest, truthful, self-sacrifice perseverance, and hard work that works in all walks of life. Inculcation of these habits will eventually help one to be confident, self-awareness, and ultimately have self-actualization. Motivating the youth to be the engines of change is largely a challenge. If the young people are encouraged to associate themselves with organizations like NCC, perhaps it would play a major role in influencing their mindsets. I would like to conclude by a famous quote of Franklin D. Roosevelt. Here I quote, "We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future." I unquote. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your contribution and supporting our forum, Bodhi Gyanendriya. It was really insightful, and I hope that it inspires our youth.